Good morning, everyone. This is Tanya Sidegigcrafts. I've got it incoming today. This is a swap from Tammy Duerksen, and I am super excited. This is from our Facebook group, and we were to do a swap of a cookbook, and this is the cookbook. I'm so excited to open it. I have peeked, but I have not opened everything yet. As you can see, it's still in its packaging. But we'll do this one last since that's the item. We did a swap of cookbooks, and it was so much fun to create one for her, and she did such, it appears, I'm sure she did such a beautiful job online. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This little charm right here she added onto this bag. Look, she did, it says you only have to lick the bowl. You only live once, lick the bowl. That's so cute. And it looks like this is a metal charm. I love this charm. Let's see. I think she must have sewn these. I love the colors. I had actually got some of the crepe paper. I need to make some of these ruffles. They're so much fun to use on different projects. Oh, she sewed them together even. Oh, what pretty colors. Look at that. The green, like a mint green and the pink. They're so pretty together. I love that. So pretty. All right. I'm going to be I can't wait to use those. I'm going to use them. I have some projects coming up. I think I can use those on. So cute. And then it says, let's eat. Let's see what this is. These are all extras she put in. So I'm excited. I am excited. If you guys are looking for a great swap group, come join us over at Paper Art Swaps. I'm the admin, one of the admins over there, and we are just having such a great time. We've got some amazing crafters. Many of them are YouTube folks that you know, and we get to pick. We've got, I think we aim for at least 6 events each month. They may be seasonal. They may just be kind of out of the blue. It just very different things. We try to keep it interesting and different, and you can sign up for whichever ones you want and skip the ones you don't want to do. So, and we're always taking suggestions. We'd love to have you join us. And yeah, so come check it out. I'll put the link to in the description box for you. But this is the swap, and this one says what? 3 wise men? Be serious. That's cute. I'm on that new diet where you eat everything and pray for a miracle. That's about right. I like how this paper looks like the Betty Crocker cookbook. Stressed and blessed. That's cute. My kitchen. Make yourself at home and clean my kitchen. That would be perfect for a kitchen magnet, wouldn't it? Just smile and wave. No joke. Ain't nobody got time for that. Absolutely. I woke up fabulous. Hiya always. I'm not the maid. Just know you wish today. These are cute. Slightly sassy. Mommy's alone time, saving children's lives one moment at a time. Absolutely. I may always arrive late, but I make up for it by leaving early. What? I leave early and I'm always late. Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay, I get it. I'm trying to eat more whole foods. Yes. If you want breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen. Sorry, I can't adult today. Yes. These are so cute. Thank you so much for sharing those, Tammy. I love them. This paper collection is super cute. She did a 14. She made me a, looks like a trim. And it looks like a 1 and a 4 for Valentine's Day. I think that's what this is. I'm pretty sure. Isn't that cute? What a cute idea. I love this trim. This is so pretty. It goes with this one really nicely, doesn't it? The colors are perfect. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Thank you so much. I love this too. These are just all pretty. Very, very nice. A little shred there. And love brings us home. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is going in my craft room. Well, I don't know. It actually might go in my kitchen. It might go in my kitchen. but it will definitely be hung in a prominent spot in my house all year. I love this. Thank you so much. Super cute. Love brings us home. It's perfect. Thank you. Nice, and it's gorgeous. I love stuff like that. I love trinkets like that. All right, and now for the actual project. I have not peeked at this one yet. I feel like I've seen this lady before. I don't know if I have, if this is a digital or if it's, I know I have a paper collection that has a cooking theme to it, but I can't remember what I did with it. I was going to use it for a gift, and I think I set it aside somewhere. She did a little charm on here. It says eat, which is darling. What does this little charm say? It says, see if I can see it, it's so small. Handmade. How cute is that? I need some of those. This beautiful little raspberry bead with the sparkles and a tassel. I love the colors she used. Baker's gonna bake. Ain't that the truth? Look how cute. Darling, fresh and local. And Tammy has she has a channel, and I'm going to put her information down below as well. So go check her out. Show her some crafty love. Anything in a pocket. I want to make sure I check everything. And she put a little card in, recipe card in there. So cute. Love that paper. I wonder if this is the same collection I have. It's very similar if it's not. And she put the little tabs on there, which is super cute. Right? Yep. It's like, is it or is it a tag? This with the strawberries and so retro. Stress is dessert spelled backwards. Yep. Life begins after coffee. And I'm drinking mine right now while I'm doing this. Yummy. So I'm coffeeing it up this morning too. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. There were little heart sprinkles in there, and I just dusted them into my drawer. Life begins after coffee. Let's see what's in this pocket. Oh, look at these ladies. How fun. How cute. Oh, I love this pattern. So pretty. And then it looks like she used this lady for the tab on the page. What a cute idea. Really cute idea. Donuts. Keep on keeping on. Home sweet home. On this one, it says, an apron is just a cape on backwards. Yep, that's right. Really cool paper. I'm going to have to find that paper. It's bugging me now. Look, there's little lips. They must have been in the shred. How cute is that? And then this one says, eat. With an old phone. Oh, these are so fun. And a recipe card in there too. Oh my goodness. Tammy, you did such a great job on this. And this has it has her address on it, so I'm gonna make sure I cover it. Her oh, it's got clothespins. Her page's name, her YouTube is Lavender Grace Vintage, or Lavender, I don't remember the vintage on there, but I'll make sure to put her link below. But she's got a channel. She's starting out and doing a great job. Look at how beautiful that is. So thank you so much, Tammy. I loved swapping with you. I hope we'll get to swap again soon. And I appreciate all the effort and the time that you put into this. This is beautiful, and it means so much to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you for being my swap partner. Love it, love it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to go check out Tammy and subscribe to her channel too. Thank you. Bye-bye.